Half of half, part 2. Today we will learn in how many ways can an object be divided into 4 equal parts.
What are you doing, Daddy?
Yesterday we divided our field into 4 parts. Now I am trying to divide it in other different ways.
Does that mean you are going to plant more than 4 crops?
No, I will plant only 4 crops.
We already distributed our field yesterday for 4 crops. Then why are you dividing it again today?
Look, yesterday we divided in this manner. But the field can be divided into 4 equal parts in many other ways too. So, I'll try to divide it in different ways. And the way which is well suited, I'll try to plant crop in that manner.
I still did not understand. Divide the field in some other ways different from yesterday. Then I will understand.
Look, we need to plant one crop in 1/4 part of the field. To find the 1/4 part, first we will divide the field in half. And then we will divide those halves into halves again.
Yes.
We got these 2 parts by dividing it into 2 halves. Yesterday, this 1 half we had divided in this manner. But we can divide it from the long side too. Look, to divide it into half, we have to draw a line like this. Now Vandana, tell me if this part is 1/4 or not.
This is also half of half. So this is also a 1/4 part. That means this field can be divided into 4 equal parts in 2 ways.
No, Vandana, not only in 2 ways. This field can be divided into 4 equal parts in many ways. First, you have to divide the field into 2 equal parts in different ways. And then, we will further divide those halves into 2 equal parts.
Okay. You have already divided it into half in one way. I can divide it into half in 3 different ways. Like this, and like this.
Absolutely correct, Vandana. Now divide these halves further into equal parts in different ways.
We have already divided the first one into 2 halves in 2 ways. One from the short side and the other from the long side. I can divide it in 2 more ways. By drawing a line that joins the upper left corner with the lower right corner. And by drawing another line that joins the upper right corner with the lower left corner.
Absolutely correct, Vandana. Now, if we observe, these first halves can be divided into 4 parts in different ways.
And we have 3 more methods that are divided into halves.
And these halves can also be divided into equal parts in many ways. Take your time and divide all of them and bring them to me. Then we will decide how we should plant the crops in our field.
Okay, Daddy. See, Daddy, I have divided this field into 4 equal parts in these ways. Tell me, are these all correct?
Let me see. Hey, you have divided the field into 4 equal parts in many ways. But see, some of these look alike.
Now we can choose one method among these for our crops.
Yes, tell me, which among these looks good to you?
I like this one the best.
And I like this one, because it is so simple. But we will divide the field whichever way you like.
Thank you, Daddy.
Today you have learned an object can be divided into 4 equal parts in many different ways. Vandana divided a square-shaped figure into 8 1/4 parts. You can also take a square-shaped paper and observe the number of ways you can find to divide it into 4 equal parts.